Green-Aid seed bombs are small, biodegradable balls packed with sunflower seeds, nutrient-rich soils, and natural binding agents like clay or compost, designed for easy use. These seed bombs can be tossed into any outdoor space, requiring no digging, no tools, and no gardening experience. As rain and natural elements break them down, the seeds are released, germinating into beautiful sunflowers that enhance biodiversity and support the environment. For the key features, sunflowers are biodegradable, sustainable, and adaptable to various soil conditions, making them ideal for urban spaces and abandoned lots. They attract pollinators like bees, butterflies, and birds, supporting a healthier ecosystem. Additionally, they help purify the air by absorbing pollutants and are great for community and educational projects, such as school initiatives and environmental campaigns. How it works? Using Green-Aid seed bombs is easy as tossing and waiting. Simply throw them into an open area and let nature do the rest. Rain and moisture break down the protective layer, allowing the seeds to take root and flourish. Within a few weeks, you'll see sunflowers blooming, transforming the landscape effortlessly. Why you choose Green-Aid? For individuals, simple way to contribute to sustainability and beautify surroundings. Next is for communities. Encourage community engagement and creating green spaces for everyone to enjoy. Lastly is for businesses and organizations. A perfect eco-friendly promotional item that showcases a commitment to sustainability.
So, are you ready to make a difference one throw at a time? Join the Green Aid movement today. Whether you are an environmental advocate, a city planner, or simply someone who loves nature, our seed bombs provide an easy and impactful way to restore greenery and support biodiversity. Get your Green Aid seed bombs now, and greening the world one seed at a time.